Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our Friday assembly. The first thing I'd like to say to you is Gong Hei Fat Choi, because today is Chinese New Year and it's the year of the ox. And Chinese New Year is a big, big celebration, and there will be many people celebrating it around the world. Okay, today's story. I've had lots and lots of you coming up to me and saying how much you've been really enjoying my Marvel stories. So today I'm going to read you another one. And today's story is about Captain America, and it's called Captain America Returns. The mighty Avengers were in the Arctic Sea when they first saw Namor. They heard rumours that the legendary superhero and king of the underwater city of Atlantis had returned, and they were excited to finally find him. Namor hadn't been seen on land in decades. "Atlantis is in ruins," Namor yelled as he approached the Avengers. "The humans must have destroyed it. Because of that, I will take my revenge on all of you," Namor said as he leaped toward the heroes. The Avengers quickly realised Namor was no longer a friend. After Atlantis was destroyed, he must have become an enemy, and now they were forced to battle him. "Revenge will be mine," Namor shouted as he punched Iron Man across his metal jaw. Iron Man was shocked by Namor's strength, but he wasn't going to give up. Neither were the other Avengers. Earth's mightiest heroes knew Namor's powers came from water. Since they were near the sea, this would be a challenging fight. Namor knocked Ant-Man onto the ice, then quickly came up from behind Thor to attack him too. Just then, the Incredible Hulk used all his strength to deliver a mighty blow to Namor, instantly sending the King of Atlantis 100 feet away. But the Avengers couldn't let Namor escape. So they jumped in the Quinjet and followed the submariner into the icy depths of the Arctic. Suddenly, Iron Man spotted something floating in the water. Ant-Man left the craft to investigate and discovered that it was a man frozen in a block of ice. Ant-Man brought him into the stick bay, and Iron Man used his repulsor rays to warm the ice, freeing the man. The Avengers were stunned at what they saw. They had just rescued the famed Captain America. The Avengers stared at Captain America in awe. Captain America was the ultimate hero and super soldier. He had been lost at sea during the Great War, but now Captain America had returned. "Do you know who you are?" Thor asked when Captain America woke up. Cap was alarmed at first and didn't know where he was. "I think so," replied Captain America. "You are one of America's greatest heroes, Cap," Wasp said. "It's been a long time since the world has seen you. They missed you." "I feel so tired," Captain America said. "The ice must have put you in a deep sleep where you didn't age," Iron Man said. "It might take you time to adjust, but I'm sure you'll be back to your old self very soon." Iron Man showed the lost hero around the Adventure's Quinjet. Captain America slowly began to learn about the modern world. He had never seen any of the gadgets the Avengers had on their ship, and he had to learn how to use them. When Captain America figured out how to turn on the TV, he saw an image of Namor on the screen. Cap couldn't remember who this person was, but he seemed familiar. Suddenly, something rocked the Quinjet, startling the Avengers and throwing them all off their feet. It was Namor. He had returned for his revenge, but this time he brought the Atlantean army with him. From the window of the Quinjet, the Avengers could see an armada of Atlantean soldiers swimming toward them. They were outnumbered. Like Namor, the Atlantean army became more powerful in water, and the Avengers had to get to land to weaken them. It was their only chance. The Avengers raced to land and fought long and hard, but there were just too many of them. Not even Earth's mightiest heroes could stop them all. And then, just as the battle appeared to be lost, a superhero who wasn't an Avenger stepped in. A red, white, and blue blow whizzed past the Avengers, knocking down one Atlantine after another. The Avengers realised it was a shield of the courageous Captain America. Now that Captain America was helping them, they could win the battle. Thor used his mighty hammer to defeat a battalion of Atlantine soldiers, while Iron Man, Ant-Man, and Wasp fought against Namor and his men. Together, they were able to drive off Namor and his entire army. Cap and the Avengers knew they could not have done it alone. The Avengers had a new member that day. Captain America had joined those who had saved him from the ice, and now Earth's mightiest heroes were even mightier, and the people of the Earth were even safer, thanks to Captain America and the Avengers. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, a couple of things I want to celebrate with you. Last Friday, it was Wellbeing Day in school, and it really made me smile watching the video celebrating all the activities that took place in years 2 and 3. You all looked as if you had a really fun day, and I hope you enjoyed building your dens too. Anamika, I saw your video on the Year 5 Google Classroom stream in a very amusing way, using a little bit of Snapchat, I feel, explaining how UV light works. And I have really enjoyed seeing all your photographs that you have uploaded onto the Google Classroom page of you having fun in the snow. It has really made me smile, and to see you having so much fun, even if you can't be in school. We will hopefully find out very soon when schools can reopen, and me and all the staff can't wait to see all of your smiling faces back in school. School is a very different place when you're not here, and we really miss seeing you every day. Next week is half term, so I hope you all have a lovely week off. Be safe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye-bye.